We have completed the market equilibrium. Market equilibrium is a situation where demand and supply became equal at a point. That point is known as E, and it is showing the equilibrium over here. So for market equilibrium, demand must be equal to the supply. This is demand curve, supply curve. This point is showing the equilibrium point, and at equilibrium point the quantity, this quantity is also known as equilibrium quantity, and the price, this price will also be known as the equilibrium price. For market equilibrium, we are going to discuss the another topic. Another topic is the topic which is effect of shift in demand and supply. Effect of shift in demand and supply on the market equilibrium. Just to see that demand and supply, these curves can also be shifted. Demand can be shifted forward or backward. Similarly, the case with the supply, it can also be shift from the origin to backward or the forward. Now just to see if these two curves shift from the origin, the equilibrium point will also be shifted. So we will discuss the three cases. In first case, we will discuss the change in demand only, where supply would be constant. And in the second case, we will discuss the change in supply. There the demand would be constant. And for the third case, we will discuss the simultaneous change between both demand and supply. We will discuss the first case, that is change in demand. And for change in demand, we are going to consider supply as a constant. Supply would be constant. And for first case, in change in demand, we'll have to take the initial diagram where equilibrium point we are showing and equilibrium price and quantity. We know that if we talk about change in demand, and change in demand can be increase and decrease. Increase, and second one is decrease. We will first discuss the case of increase in demand. If demand is increased, supply is constant, then demand curve would be shifted from the origin. It would be the new curve. On the same diagram, we'll have to show with the D1 because original is the D and new one is the D1. This is shifted. With the shift of demand, equilibrium point will also be shifted to the rightward, and a new price and a new quantity that is occurred, and we will show it with the Q1 and P1. And to show decrease in demand, again we'll have to draw the initial curve. And on the initial curve, if we are going to show the decrease, then what we'll have to do, this curve will be shifted. This curve will be shifted to backward, and a new curve will be there. This would be D1. And with the decrease of demand, equilibrium where demand and supply is equal, this would be the new equilibrium point. It is also shifted, and the price, that would be another price, and quantity will also be the new one and new equilibrium point. So this is how the decrease in demand affect the equilibrium price. Now we will discuss the second case, that is change in supply. Here demand would be constant. And there can also be the two situations where increase in supply and decrease in supply can happen. For this also we'll have to draw the original or initial equilibrium, market equilibrium. Now we will see that what can happen to the equilibrium point when there is shift in supply. Firstly, we will talk about increase. The first case, increase in supply. In first case, if increase in supply is there, then that would be shift from this to this. S1, S1. This would be the new curve, and this is demand and this is supply. So here would be the new equilibrium point, and with this equilibrium point, price will also be shifted from the original situation and quantity will also be shifted. New equilibrium point would be this one. Now the second situation, which is decrease in supply. Again we'll have to draw the initial diagram showing the equilibrium. Now we will show the decrease in supply curve and it will be shifted to this side. So supply curve would be another S1 and S1. With this, equilibrium point would also be shifted from this to this, and new price would be there and new quantity. You can also see that with the decrease in supply, equilibrium point is shifted, with price is increased and quantity is decreased. Now the simultaneous change in demand and supply. What can happen? Simultaneously both can increase, means both increase in demand and supply both. And second condition can be there where decrease can happen, decrease in demand and supply both. And in third case, it is the situation which in where demand can increase and supply can decrease. And in the fourth situation, supply can increase and demand can decrease. Any situation can be there. So we will draw the diagrams and we'll see what is the effect of these on the market equilibrium. We will discuss the first case, which is showing the simultaneous change in demand and supply, and this is the case of increase. Both are increasing, demand and supply. Now we will see the effect. Initially we'll have to draw a diagram of market equilibrium with demand and supply. Now we will see increase in demand and increase in supply. If there is increase in demand, it will be shifted from this to this, D1, D1. And supply curve, if there is increase in supply, it will be shift from this to this side, S1, S1. And this is the point of equilibrium. This is the new equilibrium point, and price is the same and the quantity is also the same. Okay, now in simultaneous change we will see the decrease in demand and supply. We have drawn the initial curve, and if there is decrease in demand, it would be shifted from this to backward, and this would be the new demand curve. And if decrease in supply, it would be shifted to this side. So this would be the new supply curve. So equilibrium would be shifted from this to this point, because here is demand and supply is equal. So price and quantity would be changed. quantity would be changed. Done. So this is the second situation in which both demand and supply is in a decreasing trend and equilibrium is shifted from E to E1. Now we will see under simultaneous change, demand is increasing and supply is decreasing. Initially we'll have to draw the market equilibrium diagram. Now we'll have to increase the demand. It would be shifted from this side to this side. So we'll have to draw D1, D1. Now supply curve, that is decreasing. If supply is decreasing, it means it would be shifted from the upside. So we'll have to draw the curve like this, S1 and S1. So equilibrium point would be shifted from this to this, and new price and new quantity would be there. And now the another case, simultaneous change, supply is increasing and demand is decreasing. With the initial market demand curve, so this is the diagram showing market equilibrium. So increase in demand will have to, no, decrease in demand and increase in supply. If supply is increased, it would be here. So the increase would be like this. Now we'll have to show the decrease in demand curve. So demand curve is decreasing means to the backward shift. So we'll have to draw the another D. Now where would be the equilibrium point? This is new demand, this is new supply. So here would be the equilibrium point. Quantity is same but price is shifted. So this would be the new equilibrium point.